I'm going to show you how you can create a live video podcast straight from your web browser using Streann Studio. First, enter your email and log in with the code sent straight to your inbox. On the top right, you can select your language by clicking on the flag icon. Currently, there are 4 languages supported: English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. Next, use the drop-down menus on the bottom to select your speaker output, microphone, and camera. The other options allow you to share your screen and invite a remote guest. Since Streann Studio is browser-based, all you need to do is send the link to your guest and they can join either through desktop or mobile. On the free plan, you can have up to 3 guests. The silver and gold plans expand the amount of guests to 5 and 8, respectively. On the right hand is where you can customize your production. On the top, you'll see your camera and the cameras of your invited guests. You can add names to all the feeds you're receiving, and using the lower thirds tool, you can stylize your text. Using the A/B options, you can select what layout you'd like to use to display you and your guests during your broadcast. Finally, you can add a logo and background to your production for an extra layer of customization. Play around with these to make your production unique and stand out. Now we're ready to start going live. On the top right, you'll see various options for going live. You can create an iframe to add to your website. The next option creates a link that can be used to send viewers to a custom landing page. Then we have our supported social media networks. We can push to Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch. Our final options allow you to push directly to a custom RTMP, as well as being able to create an HLS link. When you're ready to start streaming, click the Go Live icon above the left of your production preview. Fill in the information of your broadcast, select your destinations, and go live. And that's it, you're live. If you click on the bottom left, you can switch between the main panel and the chat. If you're subscribed to any premium plan, you can privately chat with your guests and chat with commenters from social media. Once you finish your broadcast, it'll be saved directly to the cloud and you can access it from any time by clicking on the Recorded Broadcast tab on the left side. And that's a brief overview of how to create a live video podcast straight from your web browser using Streann Studio.
Correct.